Imagine waking up one day to realize you're free, free from debt, free from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, and free to pursue the life of your dreams. Sounds impossible? Well, here's the shocking truth. It's not about earning more. It's about knowing the rules of money that 99% of people ignore. The journey to wealth starts not with luck or privilege, but with smart, actionable decisions. What if I told you that by simply following 7 unique and surprisingly simple personal finance tips, you could unlock the secrets to financial independence? These aren't your average cut your coffee tips. These are strategies the rich live by, but rarely share. Get ready to change your financial future forever. Stop saving, start investing. Saving alone won't make you rich. Investing will. Here's why. The average savings account offers less than 1% annual interest, while inflation grows at 3 to 5% annually. What does that mean? Your money is losing value sitting in the bank. Instead, channel your savings into investments that grow your wealth. Stocks, index funds, and real estate are powerful tools that multiply your money. For instance, an average return on an S&P 500 index fund is 10% annually, far better than any savings account. And don't wait for the perfect time to invest. Start small. Even $100 a month invested consistently can grow to over $150,000 in 30 years. Compound interest is the silent wealth builder. It's time to put it to work for you. Remember this. The rich don't just save their money, they make their money work for them. Start investing today to secure your financial future. Track every dollar like a hawk. If you don't control your money will control you. The simplest way to take charge is to track every single dollar. Create a budget and categorize your spending into essentials, discretionary expenses, and investments. But here's the twist. Most people underestimate how much they spend on little things. Those daily $5 coffees and impulsive online purchases, they add up to thousands over a year. Download a budgeting app like YNAB or Mint and let it uncover where your money is really going. Next, automate your savings and investments. When you pay yourself first, you prioritize wealth building before anything else. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts the moment your paycheck arrives. Tracking your money isn't just about budgeting, it's about giving every dollar a purpose. When you know where your money goes, you gain the power to redirect it toward wealth creation. Tip 3. Eliminate the silent wealth killer, bad debt. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. The average credit card charges 20% interest, meaning you pay double for every dollar borrowed. Shocking, isn't it? The first step is to identify and tackle your high-interest debts using the avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Alternatively, use the snowball method to pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins and motivation. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for assets that generate income like real estate or a business. Say no to car loans, payday loans, and unnecessary credit card usage. They're financial quicksand. Here's the golden rule. Interest works against you in debt but works for you in investments. Get out of debt fast so you can start building wealth instead of funding your lender's profits. Tip 4. Master the art of frugality without being cheap. Frugality doesn't mean deprivation, it means value. The wealthy often live below their means, prioritizing long-term goals over short-term gratification. Warren Buffett still lives in the same modest house he bought decades ago. Why? Because he knows the difference between needs and wants. Audit your lifestyle and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Are you paying for subscriptions you don't use? Dining out too often? Buying designer brands for the sake of status? Cut back and reallocate that money toward investments or debt repayment. Focus on purchasing quality over quantity. A $200 pair of shoes that lasts 5 years is cheaper than buying a $50 pair every year. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Frugality isn't about being cheap, it's about spending smartly. Every dollar you save can be a dollar invested toward your future wealth. Tip 5. Build multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Why rely on one paycheck when you can diversify your earning potential? Start by exploring passive income opportunities like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or royalties from intellectual property. For active income, consider starting a side hustle, freelancing, selling products online, or even consulting in your area of expertise. Don't forget about monetizing your hobbies. Do you enjoy photography, baking, or writing? Turn your passion into profit. With platforms like Etsy, YouTube, and Fiverr, earning extra income has never been easier. Diversifying your income streams protects you from financial downturns and accelerates your path to wealth. The more streams you build, the faster you'll reach your financial goals. Tip 6. Invest in yourself. The most valuable investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Your skills, knowledge, and personal growth determine your earning potential. Start by reading books on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and self-improvement. Follow mentors and thought leaders online who inspire you to grow. Commit to lifelong learning. It's what separates the wealthy from the average. Consider upgrading your skills or earning certifications that can lead to higher-paying opportunities. A $500 course today could mean an extra $5,000 annually in income. That's a 1,000% return on investment. Remember, you are your greatest asset. When you improve yourself, you unlock the potential to earn more, invest smarter, and achieve financial independence. Leverage the power of networking. Your network is your net worth. Building relationships with like-minded, financially savvy individuals can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Attend networking events, join online communities, and connect with mentors who can guide you. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you to grow. Collaborate with others to create wealth. Joint ventures, partnerships, or even learning from someone else's mistakes can save you time and money. The wealthy understand this principle. Success is rarely achieved alone. Build a strong network, and you'll find opportunities to grow your wealth everywhere. Becoming rich isn't about luck. It's about making smart decisions and taking action. These 7 tips are your blueprint to financial freedom. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing financial tips. And remember, your journey to riches begins with one step. Take it now.